What are the key performance concepts? Now, why do some websites feel snappy and responsive while others feel sluggish? The answer lies in key performance concepts that affect how a page loads and renders. Understanding keyword performance concepts is essential for building fast, smooth, and user-friendly websites. Let's break down resource order, the critical rendering path, latency, and more. Let's look at source order first. Source order refers to the way HTML elements are structured in the document. This determines what loads first and can significantly impact performance and accessibility. Some best practices for this include placing critical content such as headings, navigation, or main text higher in the HTML structure, deferring non-essential scripts such as ones for analytics or third-party widgets so they don't block rendering, using progressive enhancement to ensure the core experience works even before styles and scripts load. Progressive enhancement is a way of building websites and applications based on the idea that you should make your page work with HTML first. Here is an example of good source order using the best practices we just went through. By optimizing source order, we make sure users see important content as soon as possible. Now, let's look at the critical rendering path. The critical rendering path is a sequence of steps that the browser follows to convert code into pixels on the screen. Here are the key steps that we will go into later. Overall, a shorter critical rendering path equals a faster perceived performance. We will go into this in more detail later on. And finally, let's look at latency. Latency is the time it takes for a request to travel between the browser and the server. So in other words, high latency equals slow pages. Some ways of reducing latency include using CDNs, or in other words, content delivery networks, to serve files from closer locations, enabling compression using things such as gzip to reduce file sizes, optimizing images, and using lazy loading, which we will also go into later. By reducing latency, we make interactions feel instant. So, in conclusion, by optimizing source order, reducing the critical path, and cutting down latency, you can make your website feel fast.